you doing? So, we had an EF0 tornado hit our house. I'm gonna show you the news clip for that here in a minute. Literally, whenever he comes across the map and it says Pearland, we live like just a little bit south of Pear. So, give you an idea of what came and hit us.
Because the thing was wrapped in heavy rain. What I want to do right now is show you a timeline. Is your circulation. Watch how the character of that circulation changes by the time we start crossing 288 over towards Pearland. At this point, we also had radar-confirmed tornado on the ground, and the circulation's starting to get a little bit stronger. It's still very large, getting strong.
And of course, after it went through us, it kept going. It passed over my husband's work as an EF0. But after it passed over him, it became an EF1. And then proceeded into Pasadena and Deer Park as an EF3. My sister-in-law was coming home from work in Pasadena to go get the girls from school because of the fact that the school was calling and saying that there's a tornado. She got caught in the middle of it over in Pasadena, and they ended up under an overpass, and all the cars around them, the windows broke. Like, she said that was one of the most scariest things she's ever been through. But yeah, and of course, Deer Park and Pasadena got hit really bad at an EF3. So, oh my goodness, that's the first tornado like I've ever actually experienced in my life. Of course, I'm standing in the door, and Mom's over here in the middle of the living room trying to feed W. It's crazy. I'm not sure about this contractor. He can't even keep his hard hat on. Yeah. We're gonna have to hire somebody else.
Too damn small. Let go.
Hello.
And he doesn't work on the right things.
Ben!
Go screw the bookcase together. Go drill it. The bookcase. I'm telling you, we're gonna have to hire a different contractor. This was not getting anything done.
You're so good in that damn hard hat.
Contractor gave up on his hard hat. Now he's sitting on a dog hammering the bookcase.
How can the company make this right? Bring back Lay's Wow chips with a western. Mr. Griffin, those chips
What?
Stop it, he said.
At least I can keep it on my
He
head.
said, give me my hat.
Yeah.
That's what you do to me all the time.
All right, boys, get me up to speed.
Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pretzels? Well, that's something new. But maybe pretzels could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni pretzel pizza party.
There's another kitty. And the day routine are still and simple and beautiful, and somehow each small moment grows bigger. See, the cat is playing and laying around all day long. need parts more. There's a mouse in my shoes. When you rub a cat, turn it for a snuggle in the night and on long afternoons. There's a tail hanging out of the microphone.
I think we need to hire a different cleaning crew. It's even running.
I know. Uh-oh.
What? Are you ready to eat some Chick-fil-A? Is this your favorite?
What Josh help
Baby boy asked for pizza today. Joker is what it says.
Oh, that's Joker.
Yeah. Came home to all sorts of cats on my bed. I see you, Luther, getting in trouble. Hi, MJ.
It's got power. Oh yeah, it does got a lot of power. It's got a brand new head. It's got brand new fucking.
You gonna eat something? Okay, you might be.
Got the whole secret plan over here.
For family, not fun.
What is that? Get a good grip. Don't let it go yet.
And when we do it, we're all gonna say, "Love you, people." Okay?
Don't let it go yet.
Not yet.
Ponle algo en español para mí.
Okay. Your dad's gonna be like, "Eat it, Papa."
Don't touch my head.
Ready to do it.
Not yet.
You should put on there, I don't like gays.
Just hold it tight.
Yeah, you just. Oh yeah. Not yet.
Don't let him go yet.
Let it go.
Oh, Brandy?
What?
I should put on there, I don't like gays.
You should.
No, your beacons, bro. What?
Turn your
The beacons.
Not
Yeah.
yet. Did you hear me say it?
I don't see Maureen's gone. I'm sorry.
Count of 3. Remember? All right. Ready?
Hold on.
Oh.
Got it up? Yeah.
Grandpa.
When she counts to 3, let it go.
1, 2, 3.
Let it go.
Let it go.
Love you, Pops.